Hello everyone. In the last video, we talked about GitOps. We just saw what is GitOps, where we can implement it, and what are its benefits. Today, we will be specifically talking about how we can enable GitOps for Terraform. So for this purpose, we'll be using a specific tool called Atlantis. So before implementing anything, I want to show you a quick demo so that you can relate how it will look like after implementing everything. So let's jump on to the quick demo. So this is my Git repository on which I am having my Terraform code. I have already created a feature branch. Let's change something in that feature branch. So this is my main file. I'm just having a single line resource just for this demo. Let's commit it. Now let's create a pull request. So I've just created a pull request from my feature branch to main. The moment I will create the pull request, it has just notified Atlantis like I'm about to do some change, and you can see Atlantis has already given me a plan in the comments. So I can just see like this is similar to some Terraform plan. It says like 1 to add, 0 to change, and nothing to destroy. And also it will give me some information like to apply this I have to run this command. I can simply run Atlantis apply and let's see what happens. The moment I will comment Atlantis apply, it will again trigger Atlantis, and Atlantis will apply the things in the background, and you can see it has applied my resources. I can again run Atlantis plan in order to make sure like my resources are actually applied. So I will just run that Atlantis plan this time. I want to see if these resources are created or not. So this time it will show me no changes because the resources which I wanted, those are already created. See, this time plan has came and it says like no changes. So this is how your Terraform GitOps will look like. Now you don't have to do Terraform plan and Terraform apply from your local machines. Rather than that, what you can do, you can just create a pull request in Git. That pull request you can get reviewed from your peers, and once it is reviewed, anyone can do a Atlantis apply from here. So you don't have to have admin access now, because now you are not applying anything from your local machines. You just have to write the code and then hand over it to the Git. So this was a short quick demo like how GitOps will look like along with Terraform. I'll be creating multiple short videos for this so that you all can see how step by step I have to change multiple things in order to enable GitOps for your Terraform code. Till then, bye bye. See you in the next video.